In the quest for the perfect Instagram-worthy moments, having the right camera can make all the difference. If you're on the lookout for one of the best cameras for Instagram, you're likely seeking a device that effortlessly combines user-friendly features with exceptional photo and video quality. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for Instagram you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Unleash your creative spirit with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, a compact powerhouse that secures its spot as the 5th best camera for Instagram. Crafted for the carefree creator, its sleek 9-ounce frame cradles an 18-50mm f1.8 to 4 wide-angle zoom lens, expanding your canvas for captivating content. This nimble companion thrives in one-handed shooting, effortlessly catering to front-facing videos for intimate group moments. Beneath its lightweight exterior lies photographic wizardry, a 20.1-megapixel Exmor RS sensor and Beyond's X processor ensuring rapid performance and ISO sensitivity from 125 to 12,800. The autofocus dazzles with multiple face recognition, ensuring every subject shines. A side flip-out 3-inch touchscreen empowers front-facing composition with intuitive controls. The ZV-1 Mark II is a storytelling maestro, boasting cinematic vlog settings, slow and quick shoot modes, and an intelligent built-in microphone. Capture life in exquisite detail with UHD 4K video recording at 30p and elevate your soundscapes using the 3.5mm microphone jack. Priced at $898, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II transforms fleeting moments into timeless narratives, making it an indispensable tool for the passionate storyteller. Meet the Canon EOS R50, crowned the number 3 best camera for Instagram. Packed with the latest tech, this mirrorless marvel boasts a 24.1-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering a quantum leap in image quality compared to compact cameras or smartphones. The interchangeable lenses, especially from Canon's cutting-edge RF lineup, elevate your visuals to new heights. Don't worry if you have beloved EF mount DSLR lenses, an affordable adapter seamlessly integrates them. Designed for content creators and adventurous souls, the EOS R50 is a compact powerhouse. Its user-friendly interface, guided UI, and Canon's intuitive menus ensure a seamless experience. The wireless file transfer options break down barriers, allowing your creativity to flow effortlessly from the lens to your audience. Capture life's moments with breathtaking clarity courtesy of 24.2-megapixel still images and 4K video, oversampled from 6K. The autofocus system sets a new benchmark in its category, while the rapid 15 FPS still shooting freezes even the fastest subjects in time. At just $699, the Canon EOS R50 is not just a camera. It's your passport to a world where every click tells a story. Step into the world of visual storytelling with the Nikon Z50, a compact marvel that ranks as the number 3 best camera for Instagram. Designed with the creative spirit in mind, this mirrorless gem caters to beginners and enthusiasts alike. Nikon's foray into the APS-C mirrorless market may have been fashionably late, but the Z50 makes a grand entrance with a 20.9-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering stunning visuals. Despite its petite stature, the Z50 exudes power, boasting 4K UHD video capabilities and an impressive 11 FPS continuous shooting speed. Its design mirrors the sophistication of its larger counterparts. Trolls, the retracting 16 to the 50mm kit lens, with its pancake dimensions, adds a touch of elegance to performance. Priced at a reasonable $878, the Z50 is not just a camera, it's a gateway to a world of creative expression. Whether you're capturing the beauty of the world or turning the lens on yourself for selfies and vlogging, the Z50 is a versatile companion. Embrace the future of photography with Nikon's Z50, where innovation meets affordability and every shot tells a story. The Fujifilm X-S20 crowned the #2 best camera for Instagram. Isn't just a piece of technology. It's a creative companion that breathes life into your imagination. Weighing a mere 1 pound, it feels like a whisper in your hands, yet its power is palpable. With a 26.1 megapixel sensor and a burst rate of 20 FPS, this camera captures the essence of the moment effortlessly. The 180-degree vari-angle LCD touchscreen opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to frame the perfect shot from any angle with intuitive ease. Beyond its sleek design, the X-S20 is a technological marvel. The X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor paired with the X-Processor 5 ensures lightning-fast image and video processing. Autofocus is a breeze, thanks to a new algorithm that keeps up with the speed of the world around you. Forget about shaky images. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization system guarantees up to 7 stops of compensation, a significant improvement over its predecessor. Whether you're a stills enthusiast or a budding filmmaker, the X-S20 doesn't disappoint. The vlog mode simplifies professional quality video recording, and a 3.5mm jack facilitates seamless accessory connections. A USB-C port allows direct streaming of 4K 60p footage, or you can opt for internal recording of 6.2K 30p video in stunning 10-bit color, priced at $12.99 US. Say hello to the Sony A7 III, a gem among cameras and the undisputed choice for Instagram enthusiasts. This camera seamlessly combines professional-grade features with user-friendly functionality, making it the numero uno for both beginners and seasoned photographers. Its compact body defies its full-frame capabilities, offering dynamic range, lightning-fast autofocus, and exceptional color quality that elevate your Instagram game. With 24.2 megapixels, the A7 III proves that quality surpasses quantity, delivering stunning images for online platforms and beyond. The camera's rapid autofocus, face and eye detection, and 10 frames per second continuous shooting ensure you never miss the perfect shot. Seamless connectivity lets you transfer photos, including raw files, to your smartphone effortlessly, allowing for instant Instagram uploads. Capture moments in cinematic glory with 4K video recording, setting a new standard for content creators. The extensive Sony Mirrorless ecosystem provides a plethora of native lenses, solidifying the A7 II's position as a third-generation marvel with refined performance. Yet, excellence comes at a price, $17.98 US to be exact. While it might seem steep for Instagram, the investment is justified for those valuing image quality and aspiring for professional pursuits. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.